Hi! In this video, we will quickly make an Appointlet review. Thousands of teams trust Appointlet to simplify their scheduling. 300% more sales generated. 7 million total meetings booked. 80% time saved in scheduling. 120,000 organizations served. Appointlet delivers exceptional service to companies all around the world. Now Appointlet allows people to schedule their own appointments through our conversion funnels and emails. Meetings are seamlessly scheduled on our reps' calendars, and we're noticing a better conversion rate due to warmer leads. Kevin P., Business Strategy Specialist. Appointlet integrates seamlessly with your favorite apps. Connect your email calendars, video conference tools, CRM, payment collection providers, and so much more. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium Plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.